In this short video today, we're going to show how Synapse Build 213 is able to print to a PDF form. Now, PDF forms can be assigned to a function key. In this case, we have allocated this to F12. So let's press F12. Now, we want to make an application for this patient to obtain alendronate with a subsidy from the government. So let's click on Pharmac, and we have alendronate here. Let's render the form. And we can see on the Synapse form here, we have a number of presets that have appeared, which is based on various screen variables. And we can show you later how these are obtained. But we can type in here if we wish to, or we can change the checkboxes here. Now we know this patient has a t-score of less than minus 3. Let's click on this. And now we can click on Print Form and Content, which will generate a PostScript file, which we'll view with GSView. So here's our filled-in form, which should be pretty identical to the original. And we can see that the checks have turned into crosses. And if we scroll down here, we can see that the date for today has appeared. We can print this form out, and we can sign it and fax it off. All right. Now, we also have a 1500 claim form, but we've had to build a special tab for this so we can provide all the defaults that we wish to use. Now, for this demo patient, we have something already set up from before. Or for any other patient, we can click on Load Defaults, which will give us the name and date of birth and so forth. All right, so let's press F12 again. This comes under CMS. Click on the 1500. Render the form. Now again, this is a Synapse form which we can change. So let's change this patient from being single to married. Again, we'll generate the PostScript, and which we view with GSView. And now we have a form which we can print to the printer. Let's close this down. If you wish to see how the forms are actually created, let's go to Settings, and under Forms and under PDF Forms, let's click on alendronate, and we click on Details. Then this basically defines the various mappings we take from our Synapse form to the PostScript form, which we print to. Here's the name of the class and of the form name, and these are the image file that we use that we can turn into a Synapse form, and this is the PostScript file that we're using, that we are mapping to and printing to. We click on Layout. This is the code that actually generates all the various fields, and these refer to fields within Synapse. And these are the checks that appear on the form, and these are the locations on the form where the various fields appear. We click on Image. This shows a preview of this form. And that's it for printing to PDF forms.